I'm Onyame.
I'm Tiffany. So we are actually here for a glass blowing demonstration at the Morean Glass Studio, and we have a demonstration at 2 o'clock. They take you from A to Z, the glass blowing process. There's some pretty dope sculptures.
These glass blowers, they do so much for us. They're in our cabinets, they're in our sculptures, they're in our art, and we just want to shed a little bit of light and a little bit of shine on them.
Here we go! All right, come on in.
So Angela's going to be our gaffer here today. This is a term commonly used in the hot shop to describe the individual in charge of the overall shape, design, color, and creation of the vessel.
Well, I've been working here for a couple years on and off. I would say to be not considered a beginner, it takes about 5 years.
Is it therapeutic for you, or is it like very still like thought intensive?
I would say it depends on what I'm making. There's times where if I'm making a piece I'm very comfortable with, and it can be very therapeutic just to go through the motions of something I know very confidently. But, you know, I'm still learning, even though I've been doing it for about 8 or 9 years. I'm still learning how to blow glass. That probably won't end, hopefully, in my entire lifetime. If I'm still learning, I'm still having fun.
Yes.
That glass inside of that furnace is held at a temperature of 2,175 degrees Fahrenheit. A lot of what glass blowing is manipulating the temperature of the material. Again, thank you for coming out to the Morean Hot Shop. Let's hear it for Angela sing one more time.
I really want to start making pieces where I engrave Henna Designs, or there's a very famous art in India called Rangoli, which is like drawing on the floor with powdered color. So I want to kind of incorporate designs like that into glass, and designs like that are very colorful and poppy. I think it'd be a lot of fun to do bright reds, oranges, blues, and greens, and whites, and kind of bring my own Indian culture into it. I think that's
I love that.
Like this shit would give me a headache, but it's so pretty.
It's so what?
It's so pretty. Look at us, we're all blue. It's giving Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory turned into a blue.
So what did you think of it?
Yeah, the glass blowing was excellent. It was super interesting to see. It was actually my second time there. Yeah, so I had actually taken a lesson.
You're gonna go for a third time, you think?
Probably at some point, yeah.